Hey guys, happy holidays. I'm going to show you guys how to solder on copper caps to a 1/2 inch lines. So let's get right to it. I'm going to grab my solder first. Get my little bend just enough so it won't be too long to where it's not really supportive, it's really flimsy. We want to have a solid piece. So when you go to solder, it'll just take the solder and just roll really neat. Here we go. First thing, we're going to take some paste, okay? This copper is already clean, by the way. Best way to clean it is with a special sandpaper made for copper. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little paste inside this cap as well. Okay. Make sure it's snug. A little push. Okay. All right. Let's get right to it. Let's get my gas. You don't want the blue flame directly on it. Just kind of go back and forth and even out the heat, okay? You don't want it too hot either, just burn the pipe. And you'll just waste solder. Just want to give it enough just to roll the solder. Okay, take a little flux. Clean it. Okay. Nice little dry rag or a little moist. And there you go. Thanks for watching.